Hello ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned with me as I have this package from Temu that is contain 9 amazing gifts. So from electronics all the way up to home goods. Everything's here is cost only $41.70, and we will start with the very not interested item probably for you, or I can leave it for the end. I'm gonna pull it real quick. So this is silver iron antibacterial basin. So what you say, what the hell you need that for? Well, it is storage for the eggs. It's feed 30 eggs. Would you believe it or not? But I'll show you. I have at home a refrigerator that feed this and this. That's a lot of eggs, a lot of space taken. Let me hide this extra toys for here. So bear with me. Inside there we have even a bike. Inside. Let's go ahead and do this test. So here's the truth, our eggs is really big. So when on Temu advertisement something like this, so they mean like, you know, probably small eggs, not the eggs we have right here in the United States. And it's actually, let me get this out. It's easy to get them from here, from the front. You can kind of push them toward the front a little bit, but that's the basically idea. You grab eggs from here and they're supposed to roll all the way. I'm pretty sure if I'm gonna use the smaller eggs, they will work. So the unit is hold only 25 eggs, but that's a large eggs. I'm pretty sure the eggs will be smaller or medium. It will fit maybe 30. This thing right here is from Costco, and that thing is that's great. Is here 24 eggs, and this thing along is just come with refrigerator. This is only like 21 eggs. We always have like a little bit of shortage of the space here, so I'll probably just gonna either get one of those, one more. And it's actually cost of this is only $4 and oh I'm sorry, $5.80. Free shipping if you get a large order, but this is only $5.80. So if I get two, it will be like $11. Something like any storage from the Best Buy or other stores, not a Best Buy, but home good buys, they are at least $19. Here's a tip how I usually store the eggs. So now they are on the side and take a very little space. Okay, thanks all who is waiting. So this is the next item. So this is 29 pairs of colorful shoelaces. You will say, why would I need this? So this is only like $7.81. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I do have lots of fancy shoes. As many of you know, I'm selling on eBay. So I do have great shoes. So visit my eBay store and you'll see great listings. Here's another one right there. It's all Nikes. It's another great one. Some of them really require shoelaces that I'm short of. This has only one, So that's why I bought this, because I do go across a lot of shoes. Again, this is only $7.89, so $8 for the 29 pairs. Okay, let's go to the next item. The next item is a 2 USB power charger cables. What's good about this one is support higher amperage. With this one, the phone really, my Samsung Galaxy phone charged really fast. I would say probably about 10 minutes if you got a sufficient charger. I'll show you another charger that I use from Temu. This one right here. It has several ports on it. This is cost only like a couple bucks, but it's just a great product. This red one is always going fast charging. All right, where did I stop? I left the good stuff for the very end. This is what's privilege of have this cable. You know, this is way too dangerous to plug like this. So this is supposed to be, I was looking for something that is going to be flat with the phone. You still have a little bit of space over here where this thing is play. So when you buy, just look for this cable first, because I was not expecting this little quarter. So I've got 2 of these. Each one of those, I got 2 for $3.48. $3.48 for 2 of those. Okay, next item. Let's see what I show you first. Let's go ahead and do some fancy stuff. So this is 2 OBD2 scanners. I'm ready to use it one yesterday, and actually was able to fix the Hyundai Elantra. Very simple, really fast. This one is working response immediately. So this thing is still misfired after first ignition plug change. I'm probably going to change all ignition plugs. I'll use the scanner to scan the codes, code fonts, or UTF-8, misfire detection. Guys, what I did, I changed all spark plugs, and I changed one ignition coil, number 3, which is a misfired over here. So it looks like it's working like a clock. It's actually very clean. Let's see what's the scanner say. Okay, scan. Cylinder misfired. I'm assuming that's gonna old code and the check engine is up. Let's go ahead and clear the ITC. Erase trouble codes. Raise done. All right. So the cost of this unit is only $5.45. That's it. Instruction. But as soon as you plug this thing in, everything is self-explainable. If you want to go advanced, change the codes, anything else, this is what you want to do. So this one is $5.45. The link will be in description too. Okay, I have 2 pairs of this, so we're gonna set them aside. Well, I do a lot of shipping, and this is what I've got. I have no idea why they sent me 2 of these items. So this is one auction. This is another one. I was not expecting to buy that many, but that's basically need only one. So what it is? So this is to create this for the shippers, to create custom shipping boxes. So if you want this box to be, you know, bended at certain locations, like if you're creating boxes, and I'll share with you. As so. So this is basically for the custom boxes making, and that's a nice corner, and that's what it is for. So I've got 3. I was needing only 2, but I got 3. So I don't need, actually. Anybody needs it, let me know. And let's see, we've got 2 of these. And next, and the last item here in this package is, you wouldn't believe it, this is a bike. Very small bike. The price for this bike is only $3.85. And it's all metal, come with screwdriver, come with tires, pump, all miniatures, bolts and nuts, everything is real stuff. So watch my other videos and you'll see how I build this up. I will post a description link for this one. It is great gift for anybody. So basically that's what we get for only 40 bucks. I do appreciate watching this video. So that was a order from Temu, and some of the products arrived fast, but this order came probably direct from China. It take about almost like a 2-3 weeks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment.